Salvatore is unlike other stories, what we have seen in last two parts. First part we have seen Salvatore's teenage, a reckless young man, then he joined the navy, he got sick and he returned home, and see what's his condition. So sick, he returned home and he was happy that he would meet his beloved and family members. Such thing happened, he met his family member, but the beloved betrayed him. She is not ready to marry a man who can work like a man in the future. Salvatore is physically unfit. He cannot be the same young man, cannot be the same strong man anymore. So there is a change. There is a hectic change in this one. So kindly go through this one. This is the third or fourth part of our study, Salvatore. And this part is very important. Here we are going to see Salvatore's transformation in life, the transformation he got in his life. So let us go through this video. First, what you should do, watch in full screen. When Salvatore went home, previously what we saw, he went to his beloved's house and he received the behavior he never expected from his love and the family. He was engaged, and see what's the result ultimately. A heartbroken, dejected man returned home, getting no positive answer from his fiancée or from her family. When Salvatore went home, he found that they all knew. Here they means the family member. Here they means the family member. The girl's father had been to tell them what they had decided, but they had lacked the courage to tell him themselves. The girl's father has already decided about the future of the girl, but being terrified, he himself cannot tell Salvatore what he has decided, because they had done something wrong. When we are wrong on our part, it is hard for us to speak people that we have really done that. So they failed to inform Salvatore that they had really done something wrong. He wept on his mother's bosom. Bosom stands for chest, just like a little child. This man started crying, just like a little child. He started crying. He was terribly unhappy, but he did not blame the girl. Here is the attitude of a real man. He did not blame the girl. This is the attitude of a real man. Instead of blaming the girl, he blamed his luck. A fisherman's life is hard and it needs strength and endurance. Endurance means tolerance. Endurance means to tolerate. What tolerance? Tolerance. It requires tolerance and patience. He knew very well that a girl could not afford to marry a man who might not be able to support her. So here what we have got, Salvatore, he had a logic to support the event. He had a logic to support the event and he accepted. And this is the greatness of Salvatore. Here we have. He accepted that a girl, a lady, it is hard for her to spend her entire life with someone who is physically challenged. His smile was very sad and his eyes had the look of a dog that has been beaten. But he did not complain and he never said a hard word of the girl. Hard words means speaking against the girl. He never mentioned a single bad word against the girl. So here lies the greatness of Salvatore. He was young. He did not blame the girl. But basically and in general, what happens? When we suffer, we like to blame someone else. We like to thrash that person to the hardest way. But Salvatore was not like that. So we should learn a particular trait of character from Salvatore, that we should take the responsibility instead of blaming anyone else. He had loved so well. Then a few months later, when he had settled down to the common round, working in his father's vineyard. The vineyard means the grape field, and from those grapes, what is produced? Alcohol and fishing. So he started working with his father. His mother told him that there was a young woman in the village who was willing to marry him. Her name was Asanta. Kindly remember the name Asanta. So this is going to bring a change in Salvatore's life. Now, what type of change, positive or negative, affirmative or negative, that the time will tell. Luck is just like cloud, and we should know there is silver lining behind each cloud. If there is something bad, there will be something good later. If the winter comes, there will surely be summer and spring. Similarly, Salvatore, who experienced the hardship of life, the extreme pain of his life, by the grace of God, will surely get something good. She is as ugly as the devil, he said. Now, Salvatore's basic reaction towards the girl that she was ugly. She was older than me, 24 or 25, and she had been engaged to a man who, while doing his military service, had been killed in Africa. That means that lady got engaged to another man before. Further, she is not good looking, and more than that, that lady was older than Salvatore. So Salvatore has all these reason to reject that lady. And more than all these things, the old love is pinching him all the time, poking him all the time. Her own, she had a little money of her own, and if Salvatore married her, she could buy him a boat of his own, and they could take a vineyard that by happy chance happened at that moment to be without a tenant. So with the money she had saved, she could help Salvatore in purchasing a boat. So these all opportunities Salvatore can achieve if he marries that lady. But Salvatore does not want to marry him due to 4 reasons. First one, she is ugly. Second one, she is older than him. Third one, she got engaged before to a man, to a soldier who died in Africa. And more than that, his old love is pinching him till now. That Asanta had seen him at the festa and had fallen in love with him. Festa means a festival. Festa means a festival. They had a meeting at a festival, and she fell in love with him. Salvatore smiled his sweet smile and said Salvatore smiled a sweet smile and said he would think about it. So instead of proposing the lady, Salvatore was being proposed by the lady, and Salvatore decided to take time to give his opinion. On the following Sunday, dressed in stiff black clothes, in which he looked so much less well than in the ragged shirt and trouser of every day. So he was looking far better in that days. He went up to the high mass at the parish church and placed himself So he was looking far better. He went up to the high mass at the parish church and placed himself so that he could have a good look at the young woman. He went in good clothes and obviously wanted to have some fair connection with her. When he came down again, he told his mother that he was willing. That means Salvatore accepted the proposal. Now, why did he accept? That will be a matter of great importance, that to be discussed separately. There may be many reasons behind it. But keep it in mind, Salvatore was dejected, and there is the requirement of someone who can heal those broken parts of his heart, help him to sleep properly. So, this is the third page we have today. We'll try to complete this one in next week. Thank you. If you find any difficulty, do go through this one, and best of luck to everyone for the board result.